That's what cockatoos do. Yay! Hello. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. This wasn't a plan. It wasn't a plan that I had ever made. We had parrots of our own that we took to work with us every day and brought home. At night they had big flights, they could fly around. We had a huge place and they flew around all day. And the one night my husband was very ill, so we stayed home and I didn't go and pick the parrots up. The next morning they were stolen. And this was a huge news item 20 years ago. And a lot of people know me because I've been in animal welfare all my life. And I had phone calls from people saying, I don't know where your birds are, but I have a parrot and I can't keep it any longer. Can you take it? Well, of course I could. So I ended up with 15 large birds in 2 weeks. It was unbelievable. My husband decided that this was his mission from God, that this is what we should do. And it just kept happening.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. How's it going, guys? Hey, how are we all doing?
You see how many birds are in pairs? When they come in, they usually come in one at a time. They find a partner, and at night, they all end up sitting in pairs, and the evening comes. It's really incredible.
And are they male and female pairing up?
Usually. Well, we allow them freedom. We give them, when they come here, they've all come from homes where they've lived in a cage. They're a bird. Birds have wings to fly. People keep them in a cage because they look pretty or they can say, Polly want a cracker. When they come here, instantly they find a flock and they find friends and they start to speak in their own language, which is incredible. They become parrots again. Parrots are a wild animal. We are dealing with 900 wild animals. Macaws like open areas to fly, so we have them flying, they've got clear span in the middle so they can fly great lengths because that's what they need. They're a big bird.
So